Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to activate the YONO SBI app without visiting a bank branch. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Play Store if you are using an Android device. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store instead. In the search bar, type YONO SBI. Look for the app developed by State Bank of India. Once you find it, download and install the app on your phone. After the installation is complete, open the YONO app. On the welcome screen, you will see multiple options. Tap on the one that says Existing Customer. Next, select the option that says Registration without branch visit. Now, the app will ask you to enter your registered mobile number. Make sure you enter the same mobile number that is already linked to your SBI bank account. Once entered, tap the Submit button. You will now receive a one-time password or OTP on your mobile phone. Enter the OTP correctly to continue. The next step is to enter your debit or ATM card details. This includes your card number, the expiry date, and your ATM PIN. Once you have entered the details, tap the Next button. After that, you will be asked to create an internet banking username and password. If you already have a username and password for SBI Internet Banking, you can skip this step. Otherwise, create a new username and password that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Now it's time to set your MPN. This is a 6-digit code that you will use to log in to the YONO app quickly. Type in your preferred MPN and then enter it again to confirm. The app will now begin activating your profile. This process might take a few seconds. Once the activation is complete, you will be automatically logged in to the YONO SBI app. You can now access and use all the features of the app without needing to visit a bank branch. Thank you for watching.